Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting video review on our channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. We're talking about the Psykopack Gravatar Yellow War Damaged Supernova and its gifted 65W charger. That's right, an amazing bundle of 2 Gravatar products from the Yellow War Damaged series. Inside the pack, you'll find the speaker itself, a USB to USB-C cable, and a jack cable. This is a return of our much-loved multifunction mecha-looking speaker, but in a Yellow War Damaged version. This version brings a whole new vibe to our beloved product. You'll notice the LVB LED with 3 display modes adding a personality touch to this speaker. And if you look down, yes, the LED on the feet is still there. This is a 25W two-way speaker, offering the ability to go stereo if you have 2 of them. The speaker comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and also has an auxiliary in-jack input for added flexibility. It can operate on mains power or battery, with a battery life of up to 9 hours, which is quite impressive. The black or white version is priced at $179.95, while our Yellow War version is at $229.95. I think we all need to take a little breather to gather our wits and leave a like or dislike, don't you think? Now let's move on to the Alpha65 Fast Wall Charger, a cute little robot with 2 magnetic antennas, also in Yellow War Damaged design. This is a 65W charger with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB port, enough power to charge all your gadgets. The 2 small eyes at the front light up when it is plugged in, really bringing this little robot to life. Underneath the charger, you'll find a US plus EU plug. The charger features a compact size of 84.8 by 60 by 89 mm. It uses GaN technology, meaning it's capable of delivering a lot of power while staying efficient and safe. The Alpha65 comes with 8 real-time protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. The flame retardant shell adds an extra layer of safety during charging. Now let's talk about the specifications of this charger. It can deliver up to 65W via USB-C or 5x3 amps, 9x3, 12x3, 15x3, and even 20 volts x 3.25 amps for a MacBook. The second USB-C port can output a maximum of 20 watts, and the USB port can output 28W. On 2 ports, you can have up to 45W plus 20W. The price for the white version is $47.96, and the Yellow War Damaged version is $55.96. But I have a promo for you. Pre-order the War Damaged Yellow Supernova and get a free Sirius Pro earbuds or Alpha65 Charger, War Damaged Yellow. Shipping starts from June 29th. Let me know what you think of this pack. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching,